Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Today I've got really something to show all of you. A 1970 Kawasaki H1. That's the 500 triple, second production year. The 69s and 70s were made famous by the scallop tank, and I finally got one. Mind you, it's not in the best condition, but without further ado, let me introduce to you Swamp Thing. If you didn't know about these bikes, one pretty cool thing about them, looking at the condition, is the fender still looks pretty good. And that's because on these early Kawasaki's, they actually use stainless steel for the fenders, not just the chromed mild steel or whatever else they used. Now, judging by that registration, I'm guessing it's been parked in that swamp since 1980, buried in mud, which would definitely describe its condition. Everything on this bike is locked up. It looks like it's been in an accident and just kind of left to die, which is really sad to see, especially considering how collectible these are now. Now, to be perfectly honest, it's a little bit too far gone for what I'd like to work on. Like I said, everything is seized, everything is locked up, lots of broken parts, lots of things need to get replaced. But that's okay, I'm still happy to have one. It's gonna be a nice conversation piece, a little bit of shop art in the meantime. And yeah, like I said, I'm still happy to have it. So, there you go, Swamp Thing. So, that's it for today. Till next time, everybody, please ride safe.